So hey guys, it's Anthony Allen. You're tuning into my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits. I decided to have something a little bit different today. I'm outside in my back garden next to these beautiful flowers here. You see this little, the pink, but nice nature. You know what I mean? So what's this video about, guys? This video here is talking to you about what's coming to my YouTube channel, the changes that are happening to my channel. And I don't mean in terms of the content, I mean in my upload schedule. So we're talking about my upload schedule today. So what's different about my upload schedule? I will be giving you way more content. So I will be uploading for at least 365 days, a whole entire year from today, consistently, not missing a single day. So it's a promise to you guys so that I can deliver as much value as possible, and I will be doing that within the next 365 days. We'll have new people joining along the journey, hopefully. If you're here from the beginning, you can get involved in the comment section and tell new subscribers what my channel is all about. But I just thought I'd give you a quick update on my upload schedule and just letting you guys know that I'm here, I'm listening to your comments, I am messaging you all back. This is my back garden as well. I just took my daughter out to play. She's on the slide. And just being natural with you guys, and we'll be talking about things surrounding video editing or the edits that I'm currently doing, as one of the things that I'm giving away on my YouTube is my editing knowledge, and editing techniques that I use and things of that sort. That was a bit of a hard video, I'll be honest, stuttering through it, but hopefully the message has come across to you guys and you've understood what I'm saying. I'll be uploading for 365 days, guys, without interruptions, not missing a single day, weekend, bank holiday, does not matter. I will be uploading for you guys regardless. So most of the time, those daily uploads will be inside my vlogs playlist. But don't forget about the other playlists and things that are going on my channel as well. Remember to hit the subscribe button. It's AnthonyAllenEdits. My name's Anthony Allen, and hope to see you in the next upcoming 364 videos after this one. See you soon, guys, and thank you for watching.